Hi, welcome back to our channel.
Hello everyone.
Today we're going to unbox the AirTags as well as the accessories that we got for the AirTags. Actually, this is no longer an unboxing because we bought this a few weeks back.
Yeah.
Except that this is new, the AirTag leather keyring, because we got this about a week ago.
Yep.
So these two, the AirTags, the 4-pack AirTags, and the AirTag loop. If you're following me in Instagram, I showed this. We bought this at the Dubai International Airport, and we bought this last April 30. These two. We did not buy this one because
we found it too expensive at that time.
Nagtitipid tayo nun. But eventually, maganda kasi talaga siya. So
correct.
We decided to get one as well.
Yeah,
So,
I think it's more functional for me at least.
This one's for the luggage,
correct.
and this one's for your keys, right? So
for your bags, I think you can use it also for your bags.
Bags and luggages. So we start unboxing now. Actually, this is open already. We got the 4-pack because we wanted to split it into 2. So I got 2 and he got 2 as well. So let's unbox it. Why don't you do the honors? You're good at unboxing.
This is the 4-pack. When I think they also have the option of just having a single version, just one unit in one box. But as Erickson said, it's cheaper in the end if you just get the 4-pack. The 4-pack set. Okay. For the unboxing, as usual, we have the literature, the manual, but who reads the manual? I don't. Okay, and let's open it.
So dalawa na lang natira. Dalawa nandito nasa kanya. Ito akin to.
Okay.
So still unused. It's now July 11 and I
2 months later, it's still unused.
haven't used them. So this is how it looks like. So when you remove it, it's like this. At the back, it's like this. So it's easy to activate. This will show you later. You just have to remove the plastic protective plastic or sticker, and then you place it near your cell phone, and then it will prompt you how to install it, right?
So if you're not ready to pair it or use the AirTag, remember, don't remove the plastic covering the tag itself.
Okay. So we'll set this aside first, and then we'll show you how to install it later.
Okay, the
second one is the AirTag loop. We got the navy blue. It comes in different colors, right? We chose between black and blue.
We
right?
both got the navy blue.
Yeah, we got navy blue.
Oh, this one, it's really unboxing.
No, it's open already.
It's open.
It's yours. Oh, there's one.
It's here. That's why I was looking for my AirTag. It's here. Okay, let's open it first. Okay, this is the color.
Nice.
I'll take it out so you can see.
So it's made of plastic, right? Made of plastic, not leather. But you also have a choice. There's a leather choice option, but we chose the cheaper one.
Yeah, but you know, it's plastic, but actually it doesn't feel cheap. Actually, yung feel niya.
Again, like your Apple TV, it's premium feel, right?
If there is such a thing, like a premium type of plastic. But as you can see, since I haven't paired this, it still has the plastic in the AirTag.
How do you put it inside? So
this one, okay.
So there's a clip.
So this one,
parang button na.
Yeah.
You just have to put it inside. You flip this open, then you put the AirTags inside.
Oops. Hold on. There.
And then you click.
Yeah.
How about this one? So I think it's supposed to be like this if you're going to put it inside your bag. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Ito ba?
I think so. I haven't used it, but yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense, yeah. Ganda.
So, but dangerous yata if you put it outside your luggage.
Yeah.
Baka mawala na. Although, pag ninakaw naman, at least matatrack mo kung nasan siya. Diba?
Maganda.
Ako, kung ang gagamitin ko siguro sa loob, I'll put it inside. I'll hang it inside my maleta so I can track it?
I think for everyone's information na rin, the tag itself, it does not have any GPS chip inside of it. The AirTag, the function talaga niya is a companion to your Apple devices, meaning it needs the cellular connection of your iPhone or iPad or other Apple devices, and it uses the different networks to ping it with the other Apple users. So I guess in a city na very popular ng Apple, it's more functional dahil ang ginagamit niya to locate the device is the network being used by the users. So better siya if it's a cellular connection sa may signal within the area. So that's the reason kaya siya magaan kasi wala naman talaga siyang GPS chip inside.
Interesting.
Ang difference niya with other if you're familiar with other products tulad ng Tile, I have that for my car key. Ginagamit talaga ng Apple yung dami ng users for the Apple. So ayun talaga. So
how do you locate it? Find my Apple, find my
in your Find Your iPhone app, you pair that. Part of the pairing process, it's included in the app itself.
Okay.
So there.
Next one is the AirTag leather keyring. Actually, this loop also comes in this leather material, but that's more expensive. So we got only the premium plastic one. And for this, we got the leather one. It's what color is this? Saddle brown. It's nice. So we both got
Same color.
the saddle brown.
Okay.
This is the unboxing because it's still closed, so Ranji will unbox because this is his.
Yeah. We bought this at Power Mac. Since I am impatient, pinick up na namin to sa Power Mac. Hindi na to pinadeliver. Ooh. Okay.
Nice.
Ganda rin siya.
So there's
Ganda,
no documents. There is just a single document.
Yeah. Ganda. Ito yung itsura niya. Ganda.
So,
and how do we put this? Okay, I'll just use my current AirTag, the unused one. I'm using one now. It's inside the wallet that I use every day when I go out or when I do my errands.
That's where the other one is in your wallet.
This one. So
okay,
how do we put this one?
I think it's the same. There's a button again.
Okay.
There's a protective plastic also there.
And then, okay. Talagang ang Apple
sleek.
Especially if the accessory, alam mo, medyo mahal naman talaga when it comes to accessories ng Apple made. Kaya the one officially used by Apple. But yung fit niya, it's really made for the device. So talagang maayos yung quality niya, hindi sumusobra yung device. So, parang talagang made for Apple.
Although I saw a lot of fake ones already.
Yeah, I'm sure.
In Lazada, Shopee. Okay. But we still opted for the original. But note that it's open in front and at the back. So, kung medyo marami kang keys na kasama nito in your pocket, so be ready na magagasgas siya. Kasi exposed siya eh. Unlike yung mga nakita kong mga nasa Lazada and Shopee, may option na sarado yung likod, yung harap lang yung bukas. So, if you want, that's also nice. Pero, syempre, we opted for the original one. So, I suppose if you're an OC, dapat ayusin mo yan na naka-Apple.
Or kung talagang ayaw mo talaga magasgas,
yung plastic.
Lagyan mo ng plastic dyan sa taas lang after you pay it.
Okay, so that's the accessories for the AirTag, and now we're going to show you how to pair it. So here's the AirTag and here's my phone. Okay, so now my cell phones don't mind my apps. So I'm going to show you how it works. And I'm going to remove the protective sticker or the plastic protector of the AirTag already. And then how does it go? You have to remove it, oh. Parang merong maliit na arrow dyan.
Yeah.
So you have to remove it. Pag yun yata yung mag-activate pag ni-remove mo na siya. There? Did you hear that? So yeah, there. Nice. You press connect. And then you choose the name of your AirTag. Backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet, custom name. Maybe I'll choose for now keys because I'm going to use this for my keychain.
Okay.
Or for my, what do you call it? What's the formal name of the accessory? Leather key ring. So I'll choose that. Then press continue. Register AirTag to your Apple ID. So setting it up. And then view and find my app. Continue. So there, you can see already my key. Ericsson's key.
Yeah. Try to play the sound.
How?
There.
Play sound. You hear that?
Yeah.
So that's how you locate your keys.
The nice
or your AirTag.
thing about that, it's actually I think the closer you get, the louder get the sound.
Find here. Again. So
It's done. You paired it.
yep. So
That's
that's
simple.
how easy it is to pair your AirTag with your phone. That's our unboxing and our trial of the Apple AirTag.
Okay.
We hope you like this video. Again, please like all our videos, share them, and subscribe to our channel please, and hit the notification bell for updates. Thank you again for viewing, and ciao!
Bye-bye.